Question. Use curve fitting technique toolbox to find the best polynomial which determines the value of dependent variable y using x. The values of x are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and the values of y are 2, 9, 27, 38, 36, 49 and 128. Then we write CF tool and we run. We can see curve fitting in the command window, and we add a fit name, select x data as x, y data as y, and for the polynomial of first degree we get the following graph with goodness of fit, SSE, R square, adjusted R square and RMSE values. For degree 2 we can see the following graph. It fits for x square. It fits for fx equal to p1x square plus p2x plus p3. As we go on increasing the value of degrees, our goodness of fit values become better and better. Function with fifth degree of x is selected as its value of SSE is 3.065, which is closest to 0 till then. As for best fitting curve, SSE should be nearer to 0. Here, RSME and adjusted R square are also defined, whereas in case of 6th degree equations, these are NaN or undefined. Even though SSE value of 6th degree was lesser before, it becomes case of overfitting. Equation with degree 5 becomes the best fitting curve.